Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a crypto challenge from TJCTF. The challenge name is Double Trouble. Here, this is the challenge and these are the challenge files. So I already downloaded it. Let's check it. So here are the challenge file. Let's see what is inside it. So these are just ciphertext, nothing special here. Let's take another. So you can see it is the enc.py, the given script. Imagine our message goes through these two locks and we become a secret code. This is what enc.py does. Here, the generation function, the encryption function, and that's it. So you can see here are the function. This my random variable k1 choices and k2. These keys for these blocks are made in a special way. Define this generation function. In enc.py, part of this key, let's call it part A, is always same because this magic number 42. The other part of the key, let's call it part B, is made from only 4 possibilities. The tiny piece of data from the choice list repeated 8 times. So this is the key 1 and key 2. The key 1 is part A plus part B and the key 2 is part B plus part A. So according to this, I made a solved script. Let's see. So this is my solved script. You can see. So this is for the plain text, this portion, and it is the ciphertext portion. So here, this portion, it populates a dictionary with the intermediate values of first encryption stage. Then each 8 byte can be one of the 4 choices. I mean 4 to the power 8, nearly 65,000. Then in this portion, it searches for a match for trying all the possibilities for the second key. And this portion is for decryption. The keys they found, using them to decrypt the flag. So let's run this. Here the keys are searching. They found the keys here. And we got our flag here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.